Keeping chickens is such a rewarding experience. Every day brings something new and you really get to know their individual personalities. That's why I knew something was up with one of my retirees. She just wasn't her usual feisty self. Now, chickens can be a bit moody, but this was different. She was keeping to herself, not joining in with the others. When I threw down their daily snack greens, I realised what was wrong. Let's take a closer look. See how her beak is crossed over? The top and bottom parts don't line up properly. That's commonly called cross beak, and it can make it really hard for a chicken to eat. It's made of keratin, the same stuff as our fingernails, and it's constantly growing. But that is a good thing, because it makes it a lot easier to fix for her, using the same tools we use to do our own manicures. With a careful trim, we can correct the alignment and make it much easier for her to eat. It's important to keep the chicken calm and secure during the trim. So I've enlisted Lynn to help me out today. She's a real whiz at handling the girls and keeping them calm, keeping her wrapped up like a burrito and keeping her head stuck out of the top. Just a little snip to get the beak back into alignment. There we go.
Hey, she's all right. She's quite snuggly, yeah?
Now, I'm just going to file down any rough edges to make sure it's nice and smooth. We don't want any sharp bits causing discomfort. It's amazing what a difference a little trim can make. It's an idea to have some rough or hard surfaces about, for them to preen themselves. If you have chickens, you're naturally to keep a close eye on them. Getting to know their normal behaviour, and if you notice anything unusual, you'll not hesitate to investigate. A simple problem like a cross beak can often be easily fixed. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more chicken care tips and heartwarming stories from my coop, check out my ever-growing Chicken Care and Stories playlist. I'll link it below. And don't forget to subscribe for more feathery adventures.